Hi guys, it's day 2 of our New York vlog. We're going to ride the train again. Sinong hindi nagbabayad? Si JV. JV Fahod. See you! We have arrived in Central Park. Ano meron sa Central Park?
Parking Central. Isa ABN dun sa
Sige. Okay, for $1, how big is Central Park?
Super big.
Wow!
In the middle of the...
Yes.
Yes. Like, bigger than softball.
Softball lang.
yung music video ng A Whole New World ni Zayn Malik.
Thank you so much.
310. How does she know? How does who?
The pressure.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, for $1. Sinong nasa $1 bill?
Si Jose Rizal.
Mali. Okay, wrong answer. No more $1.
Si Kuya Lowe. Yes, tama.
For 1 penny. Sinong nasa penny?
Pennywise.
Starts with A.
Abrahamic one.
Now we're on to our next location. Still here in Central Park.
Sabi ni Chacha.
For $1, who is on the $1 bill?
Who is? I don't know.
Oh, no more $1.
Aww.
Thank you for playing.
Hi.
We're now outside Central Park. We're going there. Where? There.
Dito tayo pupunta para madanan na.
There.
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 Kung saan pusunod yung Home Alone. Home Alone.
Oh.
Home Alone. Kapatid ni?
So yung home is alone.
Yes. Pero alam mo kapatid ni Home Alone?
Ano?
Si Post Malone.
Ah. Pero bago si Post Malone, sino nauna?
Sino ba?
Si Pre Malone. Pero yung ano?
Sige din, nakikinig ako din.
Sabi niya. Yun lang, alis na ulit kami. Aray ko daw, aray ko. Yan, okay lang. Dalawa. Walang aircon.
Ayun lang ang bilis. Ang bilis natin. Wala kaya yung pito.
So that was the hotel from Home Alone where the main character inubos niya yung pera niya. Pag Bronx daw mali, dapat be correct.
Wala.
Wala na. You're the joke. Yee, the joke. Where's the joke? Ah, the joke. This is the Louis Vuitton. Spell. Wow. I'm in the room. It's a typical Wednesday night. Wednesday today. Nawala na. Ito ba LV? Okay lang. 1, 2, 3, mabilis. Mabilis.
Sige, knock.
Mamaya. Akala ko yun yung joke.
Baka kumata ko yung iba, yung ma-feature.
Wow, ang laki.
Yung isang tao ko.
We are at the Rockefeller Plaza, and this is where they put the Christmas tree, but it's not Christmas yet. So, yun lang yun nandun. Anong tawag dyan?
This is the Christmas tree.
Wala nga! Anong pizza?
Joe.
Kilala mo si Joe? Joe Mama. And we are here back in Times Square. What can you say? Okay. Ikot. Sino ang sasama? 1, 2, 3, go. Mabilis lang. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go!
Dala kami sa sali. Naubos na yung lahat.
Took a train from Times Square, and now we're here at Grand Central Station. Madagascar. Nag-train si Alex.
Enjoy the weekend?
Set for our day 2 New York vlog. See you next time. Why? There's nothing else to see.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.